Hi guys, welcome to this video on SMED. So what is SMED? SMED stands for Single Minute Exchange of Die. It is a methodology aimed at reducing setup or changeover times in manufacturing processes. Developed by Shigeo Shingo, SMED is an essential tool used to minimize downtime between different production runs, thereby improving efficiency and productivity. Here's how SMED works within the Lean Six Sigma framework. Number 1. Identification of setup activities. The first step in SMED is to identify and categorize all activities involved in the setup or changeover process. This includes both internal tasks that can only be performed while the equipment is stopped, and external tasks that can be completed while the equipment is running, setup activities. Number 2. Separation of internal and external setup. Once all setup activities are identified, the goal is to minimize the number of internal setup activities. This is achieved by converting internal setup tasks into external setup tasks wherever possible. The rationale is to perform as many setup activities as possible while the equipment is still running, thereby reducing downtime. Number 3. Streamlining internal setup. For internal setup activities that cannot be eliminated or converted into external setup tasks, the focus shifts to streamlining and optimizing these tasks. Techniques such as standardization, parallel processing, and task simplification are employed to reduce the time required for each internal setup activity. Number 4. Continuous improvement. SMED is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process of continuous improvement. Once initial setup time reductions are achieved, the focus remains on identifying further opportunities for improvement and refining the setup process to achieve even greater efficiency. By implementing SMED principles, organizations can significantly reduce setup times, increase equipment utilization, and ultimately enhance overall operational efficiency within the framework of Lean Six Sigma methodologies. Let me tell you a story about the implication of SMED. In the heart of a bustling city stood JoyWorks, a renowned toy manufacturing company known for its imaginative creations. However, behind the scenes, the factory faced a challenge: long setup times between production runs. Meet Alex, the diligent factory manager, on a mission to find a solution. Through research and collaboration, Alex discovered SMED Single Minute Exchange of Die. With the team's help, they streamlined setup tasks, differentiated between internal and external processes, and empowered employees to suggest improvements. Soon, setup times plummeted and efficiency soared. JoyWorks became known for its fast, reliable service, all thanks to SMED. Today, JoyWorks continues to thrive, proving that even the smallest changes can lead to significant improvements in the world of manufacturing. In today's fast-paced world, SMED offers a valuable lesson. Even small changes can lead to big improvements. By streamlining setup processes, businesses like JoyWorks have boosted efficiency and customer satisfaction. Let's take a cue from their success and consider implementing SMED in our own operations. After all, a little optimization can go a long way in achieving greatness. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational yet fun videos like this one. Thanks for watching.